So we had a big Supreme Court decision today on the Arizona anti-immigrant law. Here's our take on it. Number one, there's a lot of good news in the decision. By a 5-3 majority, the Supreme Court struck down the majority of the web of anti-immigrant laws designed to purge the state of Latino immigrants and their loved ones. So there's a lot of good news because Arizona was trying to put in place a set of laws designed to literally expel people, make life so difficult that they couldn't live there. The bad news is that one provision was upheld for now. It's the racial profiling provision, the one that allows police to stop people and ask for their immigration papers based on reasonable suspicion. Well, we all know what that means. It's going to lead to widespread racial profiling based on the way people look and the way people speak. And it's very troubling that the Supreme Court is upholding it, but they did it on very narrow technical grounds of federalism and preemption, and they signaled pretty loud and clear in the decision that those cases that are about the civil rights where real-world consequences of the Arizona law will probably come back to the court. So in many respects, Arizona was dealt a strong rebuke. Jan Brewer and Joe Arpaio and others were told, your idea of making life so miserable that people have to leave your state, for the most part, was struck down. This racial profiling provision is troubling. It could lead to deep harm to the civil rights of many Arizonans, but we are confident that our movement's civil rights litigators are on the case, they're going to keep pressing the case, and we're going to ultimately prevail in the courts. We're also confident we're going to prevail politically. Our movement's getting stronger every day. People are pounding the pavement, knocking on doors, making phone calls. Many voters are newly energized by the president's protection of dreamers. And we're hopeful that as our movement gets stronger, the political cost of trying to be anti-immigrant will be so high that our opponents, many of whom are Republican, will come to the table and be able to negotiate a legalization for the majority of undocumented immigrants in this country and 21st century immigration laws that are just, humane, and workable. Anyway, it's been a big day. It's not all good news, but our movement will continue fighting until we win. For us, victory is not a matter of if, it's a matter of when.